The complex process that include discrete transitory action as touching, broad, longer-lasting interventions such as listening. A. Communication. B. Comforting. C. Encoding. D. Decoding. Answer: comforting. The communication which promotes understanding and can help establish a constructive relationship between the nurse and client called A. Dialogue. B. Conversation. C. Therapeutic communication. D. Nonverbal communication. Answer: therapeutic communication. Communication is a non-stop A. Paper. B. Process. C. Program. D. Plan. Answer: process. Interchanges of information between two or more people. In other words, exchange of ideas and thoughts is called A. Communication. B. Information. C. Secrecy. D. Reticence. Answer: communication. The motivator that includes two individuals to communicate is called A. Sender. B. Stimulus. C. Channel. D. Receiver. Answer: stimulus. Elements of communication include all except A. Stimulus. B. Sender. C. Channel. D. Converter. Answer: converter. The selection of specific signs and symbol to transmit the message, such as which language and words to be used in communication process. A. Decoding. B. Message. C. Encoding. D. Feedback. Answer: encoding. Verbal communication include all except A. Pace and intonation. B. Personal appearance. C. Adaptability. D. Ceratability. Answer: personal appearance. Context refer to the relationship between sender and receiver. A. Social. B. Physical. C. Cultural. D. Chronological. Answer: social. Letter, email, and telephone are example of A. Message. B. Feedback. C. Channel. D. Decoding. Answer: channel. Which technique involves the text matter so that it is similar to the main source? A. Note-taking. B. Paraphrasing. C. Summarizing. D. Prex Ritter. Ans. Paraphrasing. What is communication without words? A. There is no communication with words. B. Nonverbal communication. C. Telepathy. D. Sign language. Answer: nonverbal communication. Which of the following is the form of nonverbal communication? A. Body language. B. Tone of voice. C. Facial expression. D. Telepathy. Answer: telepathy. When you are talking directly to a person and you can see them, this is called what? A. Verbal contact. B. Face-to-face communication. C. Talking. D. Interaction. Answer: face-to-face communication. What is the term used to describe the emotion or feeling in your voice? A. Affect. B. Verbal communication. C. Tone. D. Sarcasm. Answer: tone. Using your whole body to communicate is called what? A. Miming. B. Body language. C. Sign language. D. Exuberant communication. Answer: body language. Active listening involves listening and what? A. Action. B. Agreeing. C. Responding. D. Being active. Answer: responding. Which type of question is the following? You are in pain. A. Closed question. B. Informative question. C. Open question. D. Observational question. Answer. Closed question.